2025 Lexus LS 500 is here, and it's pushing the boundaries of luxury and performance for Lexus. To understand what makes this model special, let's take a quick look back. The LS series debuted in 1989, marking Lexus's first venture into the luxury sedan market. The original LS made a bold statement, challenging established luxury brands and offering a new level of refinement and reliability. Over the years, the LS has evolved with each generation, combining comfort, advanced technology, and the smooth performance that has become Lexus's signature. Now, with the 2025 LS 500, Lexus has taken everything it's learned and pushed it to the next level. The Lexus CEO described the 2025 LS 500 as a flagship model that embodies Lexus's commitment to both innovation and luxury. He mentioned that this car isn't just about performance or comfort on their own, it's about creating an experience that's immersive and rewarding for the driver and passengers alike. According to him, the LS 500 is for those who seek elegance with cutting-edge technology and want to feel the essence of Lexus craftsmanship in every detail. The exterior design of the 2025 LS 500 is striking and sophisticated, with a sleek profile that's both aerodynamic and elegant. Starting with the headlights, Lexus has refined the front with ultra-slim, triple-beam LED headlights that incorporate the signature L-shaped daytime running lights. The headlights are designed to cut sharply into the night, enhancing both visibility and style. The grille, a defining feature of the LS series, is bold yet intricate, with a spindle design that looks both imposing and refined, giving the LS 500 a powerful, memorable front profile. The side of the car is streamlined, with a long, sculpted body that flows elegantly from front to back. Lexus has incorporated flush door handles that pop out when approached, adding to the clean, minimalist look. The chrome accents along the window frames and subtle character lines give the LS 500 a sense of motion, even when it's standing still. Moving to the rear, the taillights feature a distinct three-dimensional LED design with Lexus's signature L-shaped lighting, creating a look that's instantly recognizable, especially at night. This rear design brings a sense of continuity to the overall style, matching the elegance and strength of the front. Inside, Lexus has outdone itself with the cabin. The 2025 LS 500 offers an interior that feels more like a luxury lounge than a car. Lexus has used only the finest materials, from semi-aniline leather seats to intricate hand-pleated door trim, creating a space that's both luxurious and comfortable. The ambient lighting, inspired by Japanese lanterns, is warm and inviting, adding a soothing atmosphere for both drivers and passengers. The seats are ergonomically designed and offer heating, ventilation, and even massaging functions for the front and rear seats in the higher trims, making long drives exceptionally comfortable. At the center of the dashboard is Lexus's new 14-inch touchscreen infotainment system. It's faster, more intuitive, and supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and voice commands. Lexus has also upgraded its Mark Levinson surround sound system, delivering clear, immersive sound throughout the cabin. The LS 500 also includes an updated suite of safety features with the latest Lexus safety system, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a new feature that can detect bicycles and pedestrians in various lighting conditions. The 2025 LS 500 starts at around $80,000, positioning it within the high-end luxury sedan market. While this price point puts it up against some strong competitors, Lexus believes the LS 500 offers a unique blend of elegance, technology, and dependability that makes it a compelling choice. Now, let's talk performance. Under the hood, the LS 500 comes with a 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 engine, producing around 416 horsepower and 442 lb-ft of torque. This engine is paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, delivering smooth, responsive shifts and making acceleration feel almost effortless. The car can go from 0 to 60 mph in about 4.6 seconds, a respectable time for a luxury sedan of this size. For drivers who enjoy a bit of thrill, there's an F-Sport version with enhanced handling features, including adaptive variable suspension and rear-wheel steering, which adds to the unique aspects of the LS 500 more engaging. Is the use of Lexus's adaptive variable suspension, which constantly adjusts to road conditions, making sure that the ride is always smooth, whether on the highway or on rougher urban streets. Paired with an advanced noise cancellation system, the LS500 offers a serene, quiet cabin that blocks out road noise, making it ideal for those long drives or when you just want a peaceful, undisturbed journey. Beyond just luxury and performance, the LS500 has something special. It's built to showcase the craftsmanship that Lexus is known for. Each component, from the hand-stitched leather to the precision woodwork, is crafted with care, embodying the Lexus Takumi craftsmanship that the brand is famous for. This attention to detail and dedication to quality is something that truly sets the LS500 apart from its competitors. In summary, the 2025 Lexus LS 500 is a luxury sedan that doesn't compromise. It offers cutting-edge technology, impressive performance, and a level of craftsmanship that makes every drive feel special. For anyone looking for a luxury car that embodies elegance, comfort, and modern innovation, the LS500 is a model worth considering. It's more than just a vehicle, it's a complete experience, designed to leave a lasting impression.